Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Harshal. So today we are going to start a very interesting topic which named electromagnetic waves. In world of physics, in world of science, waves play a very crucial and technological role. So first of all, what are waves? Waves are propagating dynamics of produced when disturbances of quantities take place. When the propagation take place while disturbing the quantity, disturbing the property of quantity, then the term wave, it is a like motion. So what is electromagnetic wave? Electromagnetic wave is produced when the charges, oscillation of charges take again and again, then due to that electric field and magnetic field is generated. Oscillation of electric field is perpendicular to oscillation of magnetic field, then the electromagnetic wave is generated or produced. Electric field and magnetic field, when they are perpendicular to their oscillations, then the EM or electromagnetic wave generated. The red crest and trough of this wave stands for electric field, and the blue crest and trough of this wave stands for magnetic field. Clear? So this is electromagnetic wave. So what is electromagnetic spectrum? Spectrum means what? A dense, or we can say a group. Spectrum is a colorful group of that wave. So electromagnetic spectrum is consisted of radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, visible range waves, UV waves, X rays, gamma rays. This is the electromagnetic spectrum. Long radio waves are consist of long radio waves and short radio waves, then microwaves, infrared, below the red, infrared, and above the violet, ultraviolet, and between the infrared and UV there is visible range. Then UV rays are followed by X rays, and X rays are followed by gamma rays. So this is the spectrum of electromagnetic waves. We will discuss it further. So first of all, what is transverse wave? Transverse waves are when the propagating wave, the particle nature and the propagation of waves are perpendicular to each other, then this is known as transverse waves. Or in other language we can say series of crust and trough is known as transverse wave. So all electromagnetic waves are transverse wave. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared, X-rays, gamma rays, and also UV rays are all are transverse waves. Clear? This is why they are different. All are transverse waves, all are electromagnetic waves. But why these radio waves differs from microwaves, infrared differs from UV, X-rays, gamma rays, also cosmic rays? Why are they so different? But they are all electromagnetic waves. Why? The property which differs them is wavelength and frequency. Wavelength and frequency, these are two terms or two quantities which differ them. They are all are electromagnetic waves, but these two quantities differ them. All rays, all the electromagnetic waves have different wavelength and different frequency in an instance. Let's see. So the long radio waves have high wavelength and low frequency. We know that wavelength and frequency goes inversely relationship. When the wavelength decreases, frequency increases, and when frequency decreases, wavelength increases. This is the inverse relationship between the wavelength of wave and frequency of wave. So long radio waves and short radio waves have high wavelength. You can see its wavelength, high wavelength. They have very high wavelength, so that's why their frequency is low. And the gamma rays have high frequency, very high frequency, but they have low wavelengths. So this is why it, you can see, it goes descending in frequency, descending in wavelength, and ascending in frequency. Low frequency in long waves and high frequency in gamma rays. High wavelength in long radio waves and low wavelength in gamma rays. So this is the instance of wavelength and frequency between the electromagnetic spectrum. This is called spectrum, and the visible range is Visible range contains 7 colors, that is also called visible spectrum. Vibgyor: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. This is the Vibgyor spectrum of electromagnetic wave. So the uses of electromagnetic spectrum or electromagnetic radiation are: radio waves are used to broadcast radio, television. Yes, electromagnetic waves plays a lot of role in modern physics, in modern world, in Earth. Due to electromagnetic radiations, the advanced technology is more advancing. So wavelet radio is used for broadcast radio and television. Microwaves using in cooking, radar, telephone and other signals. Infrared waves are transmit heat from sun, fire, radiator, heater, geyser. In heater and geyser, the infrared waves are seen. Visible light makes skin able to see. The our eyes, when the eyes reflect the light, we can see the visible range of spectrum, that is known as visible light. Then ultraviolet absorbed by skin, fluorescent tubes. The light of sun rays are also electromagnetic waves. The sunlight that is very essential for producing vitamin D in our body, it is also an electromagnetic wave. And also let's move it. So, X-rays are used to view inside of our bodies, objects. Gamma rays are used in medicine and killing cancer cells. So, these are uses of waves, uses of electromagnetic waves. And the exchange particles for electromagnetic interactions means the photon is a particle which exchanges particle for electromagnetic interaction. The electromagnetic interaction, the energy of EM waves are transferred from one to another place, then this is transferred by photon. This is the photon which transfer electromagnetic waves. So this is for this video, hence I hope you all get understood. This is the 5 to 10 minutes video of electromagnetic waves, electromagnetic spectrum. In higher classes or in higher studies, you will learn the 4 equations of Maxwell about electromagnetic waves. This is a very advanced technology. Electromagnetic waves plays a very important role in modern world, modern physics. So thank you. If you like this video, share with your friends, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, that's the video.